Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Android device to your new 2026 Mercedes-Benz. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your connected devices. Then you're going to go into the car, hit phone, connect new device. It's going to pull it up here, Pixel 9. We're going to pair it. It's going to come up on your phone to pair. You're going to select pair, allow your contacts to go in. Then it's going to come up on your screen here in the center in the car. You're going to accept and start. And then it's going to start Android Auto. Continue. It's going to pull it all up on the screen. Now you're connected to your Android Auto, so you can get text messages. You can use your navigation with your maps on your phone, listen to music. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment section below, or come see us off of Route 30 in Greensburg, or visit us at smailmercedesbenz.com.